Hello, hi, this is Abhiram from Bangalore. So I just attended the masterclass session taken by Harpreet Bachher from Wedding Story, and my direct feedback is like it was a brilliant experience, and I'm sure that it can change the life and change the way a lot of people think. So the best part was that Harpreet was brutally honest. So he didn't come here to make anyone feel good, telling that okay, your picks are good, you are doing good. No, if something is bad, he tells you, he's brutally honest, and he tells you that's bad and you have to improve. So I hope everyone takes everything positively and let us develop much more, and let's get bigger as a community. And I hope this session helps everyone. Thank you.